it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I've got a little treat bag. This is one made out of retired stuff, just to sort of try it out. Made in a similar fashion to some other little gift bags that I've been made. It's got that little diagonal stripe score in it. Now this one, I made it without thinking about what I might put in it, and then I was just trying it out, and I can just get 4 Hershey nuggets in the middle of this. Let me undo it to show you. So I've got 4 Hershey nuggets in there. It is snug, but they fit. Okay, they wouldn't fit if you covered them. They'll also fit, I kind of pulled a few things out, so little Moams, they'll go in there nicely. So nice little kiddie treat. Also a little fun size chocolate bar. This one's a dreamy treat size. I think those are Aldi ones, aren't they? So that fits in lovely. You can put in a little Haribo packet, which I appear to have decided after all that I won't shove that in. These little love heart things, they fit in there nicely. And I do have some Reese's cups, and I did manage, if you put one way so that the diagonals fit each other like so, that'll go in there as well. So nice little treat. You could also put some jewellery, a gift, whatever, but yeah, I just thought it was a nice little cute little size sort of treat. So how do we make it? So we need a piece of DSP. So I'm using that heart one. I've forgotten what it's called. The first one in the mini catalogue. And 8x4 this is. So you can get 4 of these from a piece of 12x12. Okay, so we do some scoring, and if you've watched the other videos, it is all very similar and very quick, so you'll be a little expert now if you've been following me and making them. So we're going to score on the short side at 1 inch and 3 inches. Then we're going to do a 1/4 turn, and we're going to score at 3.5 and 4.5, and we're going to put our little marks in at 2.5 and at 5.5, and then we're going to twist it round to do exactly the same. So they were 2.5 and 5.5, and I will have all these measurements over on my blog, Nigezza.co.uk. I nearly put that away, but of course we don't want to put it away because we've got some diagonal marks to put in. So the diagonal marks go from this notch here to where that line intersects, and on the other side. Now I've been making quite a few of these in different sizes. I've got the folding, I think, firmly in my head now, so very easy to do once you get used to it. There we go. And then we are just going to pinch those diagonals before we do any burnishing. So I just pinch it one way and then pinch it the other, and that helps with it going into the right place. So pinch it one way and then the other. So nice little bit ideal sort of kind of things you would do for a swap, or if you're a demonstrator, that is, or a table favour, customer thank you, little thank you to a neighbour, a little treat for your kids. You've got your kids at home, a bit bored, give them a little treat for being good. There we go. Or just to say you understand that it's quite bored, really. Boring being at home, maybe, for them. missing their friends. There we go, and then these last two. Now I've just realised one of the problems with doing this with a directional pattern is that whereas it looks all right on the front, it doesn't on the back. Never mind. I'll carry on. So we're going to put glue. We see that folds up, so we're going to just crease those diagonals better. It's thrown there by the fact that my hearts are the wrong way up. Oh dear, oh dear. So maybe don't do it with a directional paper. Maybe I'll do it the other way around, and then it doesn't matter, does it? There we go. Quick change. Sometimes brains blown. There we go. So get that up. There we go. That works. Nice little Valentine's gift as well. Put red hearts, heart-shaped chocolates in there as well. I got a few of those. So we're going to glue up these diagonally bits. So there we go, just showing that it's not a disaster if you go wrong. I've been doing some Zoom sessions every Sunday, and one of the participants, when she goes around, she went, "Well, this is just trial one. This isn't the real thing." And one of the others, when she did, "Oh, I've done it wrong. Never mind. I'll just do it a different size." It's funny. So there we go. I'll just adapt that. So that's that sorted. So now what we want to do is bring in the tag topper to cut that out to give it a nice sort of top. I'm using the Delightful tag topper. You can use the scallop tag topper if you want, but that's 2 inches. So we're just going to push that up. I'm going to pull it, not going to put it right to the end, I'm going to pull it back slightly. And punch. So we've got a nice, pretty end there. So let's push that one back in. So not go all the way to the end. There we have it. Our pretty tag there. And I pulled out, there's real red ribbon in this suite that will go nice with it, or I could use a Whisper White. I think I'm going to go for the red actually. So I'm just cut myself a bit of red ribbon. Go for about 6 inches maybe. And just feed that through the hole. I'm very excited that there is some new tag punches in the new catalogue. They're on my wish list. I do love a good tag punch. So we've got pre-order tomorrow. Tomorrow as in the day after I'm filming this. It won't be tomorrow when you see this. And we don't know yet what's on the pre-order list, so we don't know yet what we're allowed to order. So don't know what I'll be getting, but I will be ordering my catalogue. So if you haven't got a demonstrator and you'd like a catalogue, do let me know. Right, so then we need to decorate, and I'm using the what what's the stamp set called? The Delightful Day stamp set. So this is the one that goes with this punch. So this is currently on a bundle, so you get 10% off if you buy the two together. The stamp set's retiring, so if you want it, you have to get it now while stock's last, because it'll be going. And it's a cute little saying there, just a little something for you. And I'm going to stamp that in real red. I'm still working off an ink spot. This was in a card kit, a Christmas card kit. I've not replaced it with a big one because it works. There's always something else I want to spend my money on. So there we go. Stick that on there. There we go. And I'm using the Stitch Nested framelits to cut it out. I did get the actual one out that I want to use and I can't find it. Anyway, I'm going to do this off camera and then come back to you. So that's it cut out. And it does go over the sides a little bit, but I actually really like the way that looked. And then I just added a little heart to it because you're kind of sharing some love. And we've got a little heart in the dog punch, and the dog punch is not retiring, and it's really handy. I use it more for the heart than I do anything else. So I've just got a little scrap here of real red to add to that. So I'll just get a little bit of Tombow. Give that a little finishing touch. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on there, which I got out and I can't find them now. I kind of put them handy and now I put them somewhere else. What an idiot. There we go. Stick two along there. I'll stick that centre in it, make sure it's straight on there, and that's a cute little treat. Hope you like that. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please press the bell and then you'll get notified of when I upload videos, which I usually do every Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, and every Wednesday. I have my junk journaling series, so if you're into junk journaling, sort of check that out. I'm making the first one, and I'm making all sorts of different bits of ephemera and trying out different techniques, and I'm really enjoying that process. And I might put some extras in because there's lots of things retiring that I've got and I love and I want to use them one more time. So there we go. See you again soon. Bye. Stay safe.